Because right now it's like homeless.
Alright, y'all, so we're ending our 2-night couch surfing stay here in Fresno. Oh, why you upset? Oh, why you upset, girl? What's the matter with you? Alright guys, so we just ended our first time ever
Couch surfing.
and it was such a great experience, man. Definitely would do it again. Definitely would do it again. We're packing up, getting ready to hit the road, head down to San Diego for our next stop.
Our next venture.
That's it, babe. The couch surfing experience has ended. All right, guys, so we're moving on. Next stop is U-Haul to pick up our trailer. We're no longer gonna stop in Death Valley. We'll probably do that more than likely, possibly when we come back for the RV, so we can make it more of a pleasant trip where we're there with the
not
RV
rushing.
and yeah.
Alright guys, so we are here at the U-Haul, picking up the U-Haul.
Picking up the trailer.
So that's what life on the road looks like. If you guys are thinking of RV living, just consider things like this will happen.
We swapped out the trailer for a U-Haul trailer. RV life gone wrong.
RV life gone wrong for real. I mean, it is what it is, but we just gotta make it work with what we got. So positive vibes, guys. Positive vibes. Everything that could go wrong will go wrong, but just keep it trucking. Alright, so we're here, picking up our stuff. That's our baby. Miss you. Keep going. Keep going, honey. Back it up, back it up. Stop!
What's going on, dude? Yeah, we're gonna take pictures and everything and okay. Send it in. You guys can go right now, but go ahead and do it and I'll get somebody else on it later.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't want to inconvenience you guys.
No. Go ahead and do what you guys need to get out and then
Yeah, it shouldn't be long because we've got things already just kind of.
We just gotta put it in there and that's it.
okay.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Alright,
Yeah, we were about to throw it in the shop right now.
Alright.
Thank you again, Robert, for
Yeah.
everything.
No problem. Alright, you guys.
What they were about to do?
Moving into the shop.
Oh
They
crap.
gotta do their pictures and
Oh.
let's make it quick.
Damn, so we came right on time. Why don't I?
Huge.
Can I throw you in there?
Whatever. You want to ride in the back for the trip?
Because you're gonna be riding.
You can't
right
even
over
pull
here.
this thing. What are you
What
talking
do you mean I can't even pull it? You doubting my skills, bro? Don't doubt. Don't doubt me. Alright, so we just got back to the dealership and we're about to do the packing, as you guys see. We're at Freedom RV. This little mom and pop's RV shop. Everyone is so nice. Wish everybody was like that in Florida. It's located in Fresno, California. So now we have to move everything out of the RV that we need and place it inside this, I think 5x8 trailer to take it down to San Diego onto our baby because it's been fixed. So we're packing up.
All right, let's do this. We're officially moved out of the RV until further notice. Oh man, San Diego,
Here we come.
here we come. It's hitting us right now. The most important thing, we still got stuff on the RV. Yeah, so that's it. Next stop, San Diego.
We stayed in Modesto for 2 days. 2 days in Fresno, and now we're heading to San Diego. It's been a process.
Yep, the adventure continues.
Because right now it's like homeless. Bye. Bye. I will miss you. You will be missed. Harvey, you will be missed. Don't mind my singing voice. Alright guys, so our trip is 6 hours long and it's gonna take us right through LA, so we're hoping we don't really get LA traffic. Highway 99, making our way to Highway 5.
What are you doing? Oh, what's happening here? Show you it's done. Man, come on. No. What's going on with you?
So, honey, we're currently at Walmart right now, and getting some food, getting a lock for the trailer and the storage unit that we got in San Diego, and hopefully getting some food because I'm so hungry. I'd give him a whole list of like stuff to get me. Let's see if he gets it right, because you know, man, they be doing their own thing. They go in there and you tell them grapes and they come up with like tangerines.
A few moments later.
There he comes. He better have the list right. See, like 3 things in that cart.
No luck on the sourcing.
No luck?
Clearance. Did you vlog? We are back on the road with 5 hours of drive time. May drive this thing.
Got you. Why do I need to drive?
Will we make it today or will we make it tomorrow? Depending on how lazy we are. To the Goodwill like, ayy. We pull up to the Goodwill like, ayy. We spend the night at Goodwill, y'all.
You are.
Alright guys, we in transit, but you know, we gotta stop at a Goodwill and find some junk to put in our trunk.
Oh, it is my God. Look at who.
We in Santa Clarita. We in Santa Clarita or something. I don't know how you say it.
Santa Clarita.
Santa Clarita or something like that. But,
Santa Clarita.
Yeah, there was a lot of traffic on the highway. So we pulled over. Oh God. We pulled over to check out the Walmart and see what it was like, check out the vibes. It ain't bad, but we saw a Goodwill, so we're gonna run in and check it out. Why not, man? That's what we do. That's a Godita, want me Blackberry?
Blackberries.
That's a Godita, want me Blackberry? Yes, a Godita, want me Blackberry?
Don't do that to her, just give it to her.
Want me Godita, want me Blackberry? Hey.
Don't do that.
Yeah, that's a good girl.
Oh my, just
that's a Godita, I like the Blackberry. Goodwill. Alright guys, I found a few things. Prices are kind of steep, but we're gonna see. Alright, we're back at the Goodwill. We didn't find nothing. Actually found just 2 items.
What's wrong with you?
We in LA. Oh, that's what happened. Oh, you gonna calm down? Alright y'all, so we are about an hour and 45 minutes away from San Diego. We have stopped in a Walmart parking lot. We decided to change routes because I wanted to drive down by the Highway 1. So we're in Huntington Beach. This one is super grumpy because she's tired. Hope is not sure what's going on because he's gonna be sleeping. She's gonna be sleeping back there. Anyways, we're gonna continue back in the morning, man. So we will see you guys tomorrow. What's up, guys? It's the next day, and we made it. We survived. We made it through the night in this uncomfortable car. Well, we didn't plan this. That was our fault. You know, because we have enough space in the back to sleep, But this is
we didn't bring blankets. We were gonna drive right through, but we were too tired, so we decided to stop.
We're taking off. Went into Walmart, brushed our teeth, cleaned up. Now we're heading towards Highway 1.
Sizzy on the blog.
What up?
I'm looking busted.
I'm dying. I just got off of my run, so that's why.
You did well. I'm sure you did.
Good for you guys.
Oh.
I have a little gift for both of you.
What do you have? Show us.
Do you both have to like close your eyes and pick one?
Aww. Pulling up Highway 1. You excited?
Yes.
I'm excited.
From the mountains to the beach.
From the mountains to the beach.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, would you tell me what you drank? What you drank? Got a lot of commas in a bank. Rolling all this paper full of dank. Blowing all this money in a thing. Yeah, money in a thing. Money in a thing. Money in a thing. Yeah, money in a thing. Money in a thing. Money in a thing. I rolled up $100 bills, then I blew a stack. Down the highway, we switching lanes in the Cadillac. I got you, you got me, as we cruise down the streets of LA to San Fran in the Bay. We be laid up, high as fuck, making love. Do you drink, cause I drink too? What you think about me and you? Is this love, are we playing games? All I need is you next to me. High off this drunk love, up, can't get enough. Baby, would you tell me what you drank? What you drank? Yeah. Got a lot of commas in a bank. Rolling all this paper full of dank. Blowing all this money in a thing.
We made it! Finally! Hope is excited, my sister's excited, Tim is excited, we're all excited up in this beach right now. Oh my god, it literally feels like a relief. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Hi guys.
What's up?
What's up, baby?
How you guys doing? How's the drive?
Gulda's excited to see you.
Hey,
and then she had her hair like you
Lucy?
in her face, and I was like, what happened to Lucy? Hey, oh my gosh, she's so cute. We made it. That's
We there.
Hi, YouTube.
Yo! You gotta get off of the camera. Wait for me. Oh my god, you like this one of this? Alright y'all, so we made it. We are in San Diego.
Finally here with my beautiful sister.
This is Lucy, y'all. Y'all will be seeing her in the vlog. She's stationed here in the Army, so show her some love.
Correction.
No, my bad.
Correction.
Navy. In the Navy. Yeah, so she's been here for, I don't know, a couple
It's gonna be 2 months now.
So anyways, we about to live it up here in San Diego for a little while. Looks like she got us some gifts, so let's go check it out.
Oh wait, you guys have to close your eyes.
Is there food?
Yeah, it's food.
It's food.
As much as she knows we love
So she said we have to dig in and...
Eyes are closed. Wait, Fernanda. Okay, I want the hard
No, I want the hard one.
Tim, hurry up, we're just so back.
Cannabis infused gummy bears. Look what we got. That's legal. It's legal here. Not for me though.
That's what's up. Thank you.
Just putting it out there. You're too much.
Alright guys, we're ending this vlog. I'm tired of the camera. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.